Welcome back, editors. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how to make the I Am Your Gummibär trend intro, and that too in very simple steps. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment to let me know how you liked it. Also tell me which topic you would like to see the next tutorial on. Without any delay, let's start.
Gummy. Oh, I'm a gummy. Yes, I'm a gummy. Oh, I'm a yummy gummy bear. 'Cause I'm a gummy. Oh, I'm a moving.
Remove its background. Add a character PNG. Remove its background. Go to Mask and select Circle. Go to Adjust, then Graph, and change it to the Gummibär color. Export it. Go back to the same project again. Go to Graph to change the Gummibär color. Add a second character PNG. Remove its background. Go to Graph and set it to the Gummibär color. Go to Mask and select Circle. Export it. Keep a white background ready. Add overlay. Go remove background. Select chroma key and choose white. Add the exported clip. Then remove its background. Add a keyframe at the start and at the end. Go to the starting keyframe and move it to the left. Use the cubic out graph. Again, remove the background. Add a keyframe at the start and end. Go to the starting keyframe and move it down. Use the cubic out graph. Add a circle overlay and remove its background. Go to Layer and move it down. Add a keyframe at the start, then go to the end and zoom in. Duplicate it. Again, add a keyframe at the start, go to the end and zoom in. Then go to Layer and move it down. Thanks for watching.